What if I told you that humanity's journey to the stars began with nothing more than a spark of curiosity and a dream? From ancient stargazers who wondered what lay beyond the heavens to modern-day missions reaching the edges of our solar system, the story of space exploration is one of ambition, ingenuity, and courage. But how did we go from staring at the stars to walking among them? Let's uncover the breathtaking history of humanity's greatest adventure. Imagine a time when humanity's understanding of the cosmos was limited to what we could see with the naked eye. Ancient civilizations like those in Mesopotamia, Egypt, and Greece charted the stars and wove myths about their origins. These early observations laid the foundation for our understanding of the universe. Fast forward to the 16th century, when Nicholas Copernicus dared to challenge the geocentric model of the universe, placing the sun at the center instead. His revolutionary heliocentric theory sparked a scientific revolution that inspired generations to look beyond Earth. The invention of the telescope by Hans Lippershey in 1608 took things to a whole new level. Galileo Galilei, often called the father of modern astronomy, used this device to make groundbreaking discoveries like the moons of Jupiter and the phases of Venus. Suddenly, the universe felt a little closer. What if we could go beyond just observing the stars? The idea of traveling to space took a giant leap forward in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, with pioneers like Konstantin Tsiolkovsky, who envisioned rocket propulsion as the key to space travel. His ideas were radical but brilliant: liquid-fueled rockets, reusable stages, and even the concept of space stations. Then came Robert H. Goddard, an American scientist who made Tsiolkovsky's theories a reality. In 1926, he launched the world's first liquid-fueled rocket, a modest but historic flight that proved humanity's dreams of spaceflight were achievable. Cue the dramatic music. The space race of the mid-20th century was a high-stakes competition between the United States and the Soviet Union, fueled by Cold War tensions. In 1957, the Soviets stunned the world by launching Sputnik 1, the first artificial satellite. Its rhythmic beeping from orbit sent a clear message: humanity had entered the space age. But the U.S. wasn't about to back down. NASA was founded in 1958, and the race to the stars was on. The Soviets scored another first with Yuri Gagarin's historic orbit of Earth in 1961, but America struck back with the Apollo program. And then, in 1969, humanity achieved the unthinkable. Neil Armstrong stepped onto the moon's surface, declaring, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." The Apollo 11 mission wasn't just a victory for America, it was a triumph for all of humanity. While astronauts were exploring the moon, robotic spacecraft were venturing even farther. NASA's Mariner missions in the 1960s and 70s sent back the first close-up images of Venus and Mars, while the Soviet Union's Venera program landed on Venus's scorching surface. In 1977, NASA launched the Voyager probes, which became humanity's ambassadors to the outer planets and beyond. Voyager 1 and 2 revealed breathtaking views of Jupiter's storms, Saturn's rings, and even the icy worlds of Uranus and Neptune. Decades later, these probes are still sending signals as they journey into interstellar space. Mars, with its tantalizing hints of water and potential for life, became a prime target. Rovers like Spirit, Opportunity, Curiosity, and Perseverance have roamed the Martian surface, uncovering clues about its past and paving the way for future human missions. Building a permanent presence in space was the next frontier. The Soviet Union's Salyut and Mir space stations demonstrated that humans could live and work in orbit for extended periods. In 1998, the International Space Station, ISS, took collaboration to a global level, bringing together nations to advance science and technology in microgravity. The ISS isn't just a lab, it's a symbol of what humanity can achieve when we work together. Astronauts conduct groundbreaking research, test new technologies, and inspire the world with their incredible views of Earth. The 21st century brought a new era of innovation as private companies entered the space game. SpaceX, founded by Elon Musk, revolutionized space travel with reusable rockets, drastically reducing costs. In 2020, SpaceX's Crew Dragon carried astronauts to the ISS, marking the first time a private company achieved this feat. Other companies like Blue Origin and Virgin Galactic are making space tourism a reality, while startups work on asteroid mining and lunar bases. Space exploration is no longer just for governments. It's becoming a playground for entrepreneurs, dreamers, and innovators. Space exploration isn't just about visiting planets. It's also about understanding the universe itself. Telescopes like Hubble, Kepler, and the James Webb Space Telescope have revealed the secrets of distant galaxies, discovered thousands of exoplanets, and even glimpsed the first moments after the Big Bang. In 2015, NASA's New Horizons mission gave us our first close-up look at Pluto, while the Parker Solar Probe is diving into the sun's atmosphere to unlock its mysteries. These missions remind us that there's still so much to discover. What's next? Mars is the ultimate prize, with NASA's Artemis program and SpaceX's Starship aiming to send humans there in the coming decades. Permanent bases on the moon could serve as stepping stones for exploring the solar system, while advancements in technology like nuclear propulsion and AI could take us even farther. And let's not forget the ultimate question: are we alone in the universe? Missions to Europa, Enceladus, and beyond may one day answer that question, transforming our understanding of life itself. The history of space exploration is a story of human curiosity, courage, and creativity. It's about pushing boundaries, overcoming challenges, and daring to dream big. As we continue to reach for the stars, we're not just exploring space, we're exploring what it means to be human. So, what do you think? Are you ready to join the journey?